we return now to the last 3 categories. So now we're moving into one, as you know, is like all the categories is very important. Another new one for us. This time we've been asking for initiatives concerning diversity. So if we could have the nominations, please. So as you can see, nominations: Hitachi Vantara, Medtronic, Bureau van Dijk, Order2Cash, AB InBev, and Celanese. Okay, and the next winner is, please, Order2Cash. Come and join us. Whee!
So thank you, really appreciate it. We really value diversity within our company. Let me tell you about the diversity lunch we had a couple of weeks ago, where we had a full table of all kinds of Asian, African, European and Latin American food. So, well, it's a great initiative. So if you want to pick up that one, be my guest. Thank you.